YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back with another video. And JD Nation, what's down with it, man? Today's video, as y'all can see by the title, kind of want to do something a little different. But before I actually get started, man, I want to send out a special happy Thanksgiving to everybody that may be watching this video, to all my subscribers, and to anybody that may have lost a loved one. I'm sending special prayers to you for you guys maybe spending your first Thanksgiving without somebody, or even more than that, man. So we want to send out special prayers to you guys and a happy Thanksgiving. Eat good today, spend time with loved ones, and all that good stuff, man. But now, like I said, I wanted to, drop a video on Thanksgiving, and I kind of wanted to do something a little different. Go to my subscribers and, make a video catered to you guys, or that was inspired by you guys, man. So I'm actually gonna be answering a question from one of my subscribers, and I found this question actually kind of interesting, and it could be made into a video, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and read out the comment. Shout out to Eddie Monk, you feel me? This is coming from him, man. So it's not really a question, he just needs some advice. So his comment says, hey man, can you give me advice on my hair, bro? Because I just hit my 2-month mark, because it's feeling like it's taking forever to grow. So shout out to you, Eddie Monk. So just to really dive into it, bro, 2 months, let's be completely honest, bro, you barely just scratched the surface, bro. So really all I can say is just have patience. Like, that was the hardest thing for me to do. Like, patience is a major key when it comes to your hair growth when you're first starting out, because it may feel like when you're looking in the mirror, it's like, yo, I see the same thing, ain't nothing moving. But honestly, your hair is always growing. Trust me, your hair is always growing. That's something that I had to learn. I'm gonna actually post a picture of my 2-month my 2-month mark picture, bro. Oh my God. When I tell you, I was like, yo, is my hair ever gonna grow? Bars. But honestly, just stay patient, bro. Like, just stay patient with it. Your hair is going to grow. You're going to start noticing it. When you first start off, though, it's going to seem like it's not growing. It's going to look like it's not growing, but trust me, it is growing. But honestly, any advice I have to give you, number one, of course, have patience. Number two, just continue to, cause like what I was doing, and I'm gonna just give you my perspective of my hair journey when I was at 2 months. So what I was doing, I wasn't really washing my hair. Well, I was washing my hair, but I wasn't really like using any type of special hair products. So honestly, my hair was just growing based off of its own whim. You feel me? It was just growing, and I wasn't really like using any type of special products, no type of special hair conditioner, no oils or nothing like that. I was just washing my hair with straight up shampoo that came from either Walmart, Target. Wasn't no special name brand. I wasn't really paying attention to all of that stuff like that. Any other advice, what I can say is go ahead and start early with using oils like olive oil, black castor oil. Like, start using those oils right now so that your scalp can already be accustomed to it already for when your hair gets longer. That's all I can really say right now. Like I said, me personally, I'm not really that deep into like the hair products and stuff like that. Like, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. Like, when I first started off, I wasn't really hip on all of that stuff, so I can't really say, you need to use this, you need to use that. What I can say is that during this transition of my hair being like waves to my hair getting longer, I was kind of confused with like, should I stop using my brush now, or should I just switch over to using the comb to start picking out my hair? You feel me? And during this time, I did start using like the little sponge to kind of like give my hair a little bit of, flavor a little bit, you feel me? So other than that, like, that's all I really was honestly doing. Like, that's all I was really honestly doing. I was just, combing my hair out every single morning. Not like that, not like every single morning, but I was combing it out to kind of like give it a little bit of volume so that it could look like it was doing something to my eyes. In your eyes, it may not look like it's growing, but to everybody else around you, they are noticing the change. And then too, I don't really know what your hair looks like right now unless you send me a picture, and then I would know what I could say. But honestly, right now, just like I said, just continue to, do what you've been doing. If you've been following some type of hair routine in the morning, definitely stick with that. And just stay consistent with your hair, bro. Like, honestly, that's all I can really say. Cause like I said, I'm just going blindly. I don't really know what your hair looks like right now, but honestly, right now, just continue to stay consistent. If you haven't started using any type of hair oils or hair products, definitely start using some olive oil, some Jamaican castor oil, and what's the other one I used to like all the time? See, bro, it's been so long since I've been using hair products, I ain't gonna lie. But definitely start using some type of hair product. Me personally, when I started using hair products, like when I first started using like legit hair care products, I started using stuff like Shea Moisture and Cantu, I believe. So yeah, so definitely start to use some of those products, and like I said, use some Jamaican castor oil, cause that's really good with hair growth, to be honest. Like Jamaican castor oil, black Jamaican castor oil is good for hair growth, so definitely start using some of that. So that's all I can really say, honestly. So yeah, man, that's all I can really say right now. Like I said, I don't want to make this video too long because I know a lot of us are, you know, spending time with their families and stuff like that, so I don't want to make no 10-minute long video. You feel me? This video hopefully is no longer than like 8 minutes, honestly. So yeah, with that being said though, that's pretty much it for me. Drop some more questions down below. If y'all need any advice or anything like that, definitely drop those down below, and I can start making this kind of like a little series, like answering subscribers hair questions or whatever the case may be. Like if y'all got any questions, definitely comment them down below and I'll, you know, make it out into a video. So yeah, man, with that being said though, that is it. Like I said, happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and thank y'all for the support too on the last video that I made. I got a lot of great responses from that video, so definitely appreciate the support, man. With the new content coming, definitely there will be a whole lot more new content coming too as well, so definitely be on the lookout for all of that stuff, man. So with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when they drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. My clothing brand, Good Vibes Only 454. If y'all some OGs, you know, bars. So it's definitely under construction right now, so definitely be on the lookout for any updates when it comes to my brand and stuff like that, so you guys will be updated, man. So now with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go enjoy your families. I'm gonna definitely be making my plate today, man, and my birthday is in 2 days. Whoa, I forgot. Yeah, my birthday is in 2 days, man, so I'm definitely glad about, you know, becoming older and wise and stuff like that. So, and also happy birthday to my sister. Her birthday is today too, so happy birthday to you, since I love you. So yeah, now with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces. I'm off this I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was sitting over your place, trying to figure out